Hey everybody, welcome to Search Tech. Today, we're going to go over the invention of the future that will soon be available. Make sure to watch until number 1, because it's one of the most amazing future invention I've ever seen. The whole shoe is 3D printed and constructed of a unique polymer called TPE, which combines flexibility, tensile strength, and elasticity. The material can resist temperatures as high as 219.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and the elements may be as thin as 0.04 inches thick. The unusual shape of the sole was chosen for a reason, according to the creators of these sneakers. The name of the shoe CRYPTID refers to extinct or mythical creatures, and if you walk on the ground in these shoes, you can leave footprints like Bigfoot, so don't be shocked and surprised if you see such footprints. According to the developers, augmented reality interfaces used in the game industry are still far from perfect, but for cars and other equipment, a system that displays a lot of useful data on the windshield is already available. The system can be customized to the needs of each user. For example, racers would be interested in seeing the optimal trajectory for entering a turn, while ordinary drivers will appreciate the traffic lights timing system. This technology may also be integrated into buildings so that you can instantly find out the weather forecast or other data just by gazing out the window. The project team uses the most up-to-date technologies in optics, holography, and other fields. Why use a computer mouse or touchpad when we are born with the most advanced pointing device, our fingers? To answer this question, Swiss researchers developed a one-of-a-kind ring that allows you to control the cursor, scroll through pages, and perform other common screen operations with your fingers. There are no other applications required for the ring. It connects through Bluetooth and is so water-resistant that it can be used in the shower. The gadget can withstand hand or dishwashing for 24 hours, and it is acceptable for both right and left-handed individuals. However, the project's designers point out that the working surface must be more or less solid and monochromatic, otherwise mistakes may occur. The inventors of this exoskeleton think that it will allow you to run on any terrain with ease. It was invented in Japan, and it helps to relieve tension on the joints and waist, as well as absorb part of the shock load that comes with running. The business has already built an exoskeleton that allows a person to lift 220.5 pounds to a height of up to 6.6 feet, and this model is an auxiliary option appropriate for delivery workers or postal couriers. Despite being digitized and technologically advanced, decent drinking water may be tough to come by in modern cities. This generator, which can produce up to 2.5 gallons per day, will offer us clean, pleasant, and mineral-rich water. The ability to draw water directly from the air is a key feature of the generator. As a result, the water will have an optimal pH index, as well as contain magnesium, calcium, and other elements beneficial to the human body. According to the creators of the generator, if you want youthful-looking skin, drink more water. The purity of the liquid is guaranteed by the built-in UV sterilizer, and the device will also clean the air in the room, collecting harmful substances in special filters and ensuring an optimal humidity level. What can be done to make a computer keyboard better? The solution may be found on your computer screen. This is how Latvian experts view the future of this device. Depending on the model, the future keyboard will include 24 to 29 customizable keys. A joystick, as well as a unique 5-position switch. The keyboard can be freely adjusted to fit the palm of your hand, but you'll need a special screwdriver that comes with the gadget to do so. The gadget is 2.5 pounds and runs on USB. It has adequate internal memory to save various control settings. Right-handed and left-handed variants of the profiles are also available. The creators claim to have combined the benefits of a traditional keyboard with a gamepad in one gadget, so we have a question for gamers. Do you think that this gadget will be convenient to use? A team of specialists from Japan has developed the world's first full-size drone with 2 arms. The drone weighs 44 pounds and can handle things weighing up to 22 pounds in its arms. Its maximum flight speed is 37 miles per hour, allowing it to deliver a life ring to a drowning person swiftly. The drone can fly for 30 minutes on a single charge, can function in all weather, and can reach a height of 3.1 miles. The company is sure that this advancement will help keep people safe. Want to reduce a 4 to 5 minute journey to a 10-minute flight? Thanks to this air cab, you can. The 5-seater is equipped with strong engines that allow it to take off and land vertically. The pilot may manage the air cab manually or leave it to the autopilot. There are several versions with ranges ranging from 60 to 150 miles. The company believes that these vehicles will be useful for transporting both passengers and cargo in the future, and that they will be integrated into urban air mobility systems, saving time, which is the most valuable resource for most people. This panel, which was built in the United States, allows you to see and interact with a variety of virtual items. Tactile sensations may be produced at a height of up to 3 feet above the device and at a 120-degree angle surrounding it owing to ultrasonic waves. The panel is composed of polycarbonate and weighs 5.7 pounds. It's roughly the same size as a 13-inch laptop. You may create a network of 7 devices using these unique applications and engage with others by shaking hands or playing games. Tactile sensations are intriguing, but sitting in an armchair or on a sofa is clearly not conducive to quality virtual reality immersion. The creators of these boots want you to walk through the virtual world with your own feet. The device is made of carbon fiber, and the boots can be worn over your regular shoes. The user travels around the virtual environment while keeping stationary in the actual world, allowing the boots to be used in tight spaces while providing stable support without turning into roller skates. According to the inventors, there is also a technology that avoids motion sickness, which will be useful while dealing with huge virtual worlds because today's digitized objects can reach hundreds of thousands of square feet in size. According to the inventors of this power source, your house is your castle, and it's worth preserving. Since there are more and more occurrences of widespread power outages, having a backup battery wouldn't hurt. The device's capacity is 6.9 kilowatt-hours, which is one of the greatest indications in the home power supply market. With this capacity, your smartphone can be charged 460 times. Keep your fridge running for about 7 hours or watch TV for almost 63 hours. Each unit comes with 19 different ports for a variety of uses, ranging from USB ports to electric car outlets. There are also 2 wireless panels for charging smartphones, and state-of-the-art technology assists with charging. Charge the battery to 100% in just 2.5 hours. This odd Chinese robot will assist in the transportation of various things while also entertaining visitors to supermarkets, restaurants, and trade events. It can carry up to 88.2 pounds and weighs 121 pounds. Its maximum operating duration on a single battery is 24 hours. The cutting-edge scanning technology allows the robot to detect impediments as small as 0.07 feet high and scan the environment at a pace of 400 times per minute, allowing it to detect an obstruction from up to 32.8 feet away and safely avoid it. It's also worth mentioning that the robot recognizes voice instructions and squeals if you pet it at the right angle. A hair-dyeing revolution from French experts. Now, you don't even need to leave the house for this procedure. The device is very simple to use. Simply choose the shade you want in a special app and wait until the dye is ready, then gently run it through your hair, and the coloring is complete. The only thing you should do is wait. After around half an hour, wash out the remaining dye with a unique brush that performs up to 300 motions per minute, ensuring equal coloring from roots to tips. You may keep your preferred color combinations using replaceable cartridges. In the app, there are 40 distinct hues to choose from, and sales are set to begin in 2023. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of cool tech gadgets and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of gadgets and inventions, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.